Hello everybody, it is us once again, Earth and Stone, Derek and Maddie. A little impromptu video. Where are we, Maddie?
The Canary Islander Cemetery?
Canary Islanders, so they're from the Canary Islands?
Yes.
Most of them anyway.
Right.
This is a really tiny cemetery. You blink, you'll miss it. It's behind, what is that? AutoZone?
AutoZone.
And a Burger King. But take a look at this little gem of a cemetery, how small it is. See what I mean? And I was telling Maddie, we've seen these at more than a few cemeteries. But at bigger cemeteries, we've only seen like one or two of these. There's like 10 that I can count in this small area. So join us, won't you? This is most interesting. This is all metal, right down to the base. Antonia P. De. I don't want to say her last name wrong. I can't really make it out. Cicero? Huh. 1919 or 1918. Wow. Yeah, this is really something here. Got this nice little stone deal mounted on. Is this stone too, or is this wood? No, that's actually tree, man. That's wood. Madre Padre Matilde de Jimenez, Francisco Jimenez, 1924, 1914. Yeah, that's amazing. Oh, and look, I've never seen underneath these little cement deals. Look, there's a grating of metal here underneath. Never seen that. That little gem right there.
But I like the way I've never seen one with a stump and a lamb.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Beatrice was 1 year old, and Jose Castro, I wonder if they were twins, because they don't have a year he was born.
Right.
Castros in this area. I like these old school stones. They're dependable, reliable. Yeah, so you never would have found that unless you stepped right on it. Look how this really does look beautiful. As far as cemeteries go, as small as this is, then you have stuff like this, and you always hope that was just a natural thing. It just, one day it got weak and broke. You really hate to think anybody purposely went in and damaged it, because I mean, how low can you be to damage somebody's headstone? They call it the resting place for a reason.
I love that there's still wildflowers.
Sure.
Oh, look at that one, kind of got corroded.
Yeah, that's straight out of a movie, that one. Reminds me of some Italian horror movies I've seen. Look, it's surrounded, like there's a wall of wildflowers. They got, like, it's a natural wall around the cemetery. It's kind of neat.
I can smell the plants. Can you smell them?
Yeah. And I hate to tell you, but somebody's grandma's dinner.
Oh, no.
Yeah, them ants are just having a field day. I'm not being mean. My grandparents were buried by an ant colony. Their bones have probably been picked clean by now. This one looks straight up like marble. But the textures, oh no, it's smooth. I thought it was going to be like sandpaper. But it's smooth, it's marble. Shit.
I mean, the detail on that one.
Clemente Delgado. I always like the way they put the lettering in there. They probably do it. They probably pour a slab and then put it in while it's wet. Or what?
Nothing.
Oh, I thought you saw something.
Catching my breath.
Can you make it out? I can't. Not from here. All metal. In memory of Pablo Cardenas, Private, Ragsdale's Battalion, 2nd Texas Mounted Rifle, Confederate States Army. He fought for the Confederacy. I would say thank you for your service, but I'm a Yankee. Yeah, I was on the other side. Nah, I wasn't on either side. I wasn't even born then, man. Really?
So there's a house with a cross, and then there's another one over here.
Kind of see it, yeah. Right inside the flowers?
No. Oh. It's right here on the ground.
Oh, okay.
Straight forward.
So, yeah, look at this. What is that? Bowl of oatmeal? Crazy. I'm guessing this is for a baby, because it's very tiny. But then again, it could just be the covering of the head part of a much bigger person. So I don't know. I don't see any names on it or anything, just like this one here. And for some reason, you know, I really like when the wildflowers take over a grave. You know, that could have stayed plain like the other ones, but the wildflowers came into bloom all over this grave and just made it really festive in a natural way. I like that. I think that's great. I should be so lucky. So let's check out this hill that seems to contain a grave marker inside the flowers. $1928? I don't see any other ones around here. But they're up on the hill. Look at that downgrade. So, yeah, you can really see over. But get a good look at the cemetery here. You can see where the AutoZone is. The back of this building. And then the Burger King right over there. It's a pretty small area, but it's very significant. Very nice. Everybody say hi to Maddie. Hi, Maddie. Hello, Maddie. Okay, everybody, that was it. The Canary Islanders Cemetery, right?
Right.
Yeah, Canary Islanders Cemetery. Nice structures, nice place, clean. And then we had that one stuck off into the hill somewhere. But still a nice area. But this video was what we call short and sweet, just like my co-host.
Yay!
So y'all take care. Thanks for joining us.
Positive vibes.